Hello everyone, welcome to today's presentation. I'm excited to introduce our topic, about snakes. My name is Paruthvi, and I'll be guiding you through some fascinating facts about these amazing creatures. In this session, we'll cover what snakes are, their characteristics, habitats, and some interesting behaviors. So let's get started and explore the world of snakes together. Let's take a closer look at snakes. Snakes are elongated reptiles that completely lack limbs, which makes their appearance quite unique among reptiles. They belong to the suborder Serpentes, a group characterized by their long, slender bodies. Cladistically, which means from an evolutionary perspective, snakes are part of the squamate group, which also includes lizards. One of the key features of snakes is that they are ectothermic, or cold-blooded, meaning they rely on external sources to regulate their body temperature. They are also amniote vertebrates, so they lay eggs with shells or retain fertilized eggs inside their bodies. Another important point is their covering of overlapping scales. These scales serve multiple functions, including protection and aiding in movement. Interestingly, this scale pattern is similar to other members of their group, which helps us understand their evolutionary relationships. Overall, understanding these basic characteristics helps us appreciate how snakes are uniquely adapted to their environments and how they fit within the broader reptile family. Snakes are incredibly adaptable creatures when it comes to their habitats. They are found all over the world, except for Antarctica, which is too cold for them. You'll see them in a variety of environments: tropical rainforests, deserts, grasslands, forests, and even aquatic settings. Because snakes are cold-blooded or ectothermic, they depend on external heat sources to regulate their body temperature. That means they often bask in the sun to warm up or seek shelter in places like burrows, under rocks, or inside dens, especially when the weather is cooler. Different snake species have evolved to thrive in specific niches. Some are arboreal, meaning they live in trees, while others are aquatic and spend much of their time in water. There are also species that burrow underground. This diversity in habitat use highlights the incredible adaptability of snakes and how they've evolved to survive in so many different environments. Connecting this to the overall theme, understanding where snakes live helps us appreciate their variety and the ways they've adapted to survive across the globe. Venomous snakes are a fascinating group within the suborder Serpentes. These snakes have the remarkable ability to produce venom, which serves multiple purposes. They use their venom primarily to kill or immobilize prey, which makes feeding much easier. Additionally, venom plays a crucial role in defense, helping snakes deter potential predators. Interestingly, some snakes also use venom to aid in digesting their prey more efficiently. Now, when it comes to delivering this venom, most venomous snakes have hollow or grooved fangs, kind of like tiny syringes, that allow them to inject venom deep into their prey or threat. However, not all venomous snakes have well-developed fangs. Some have less specialized structures, which is an important point to remember when studying snake species. Understanding these key features helps us appreciate how snakes have evolved to survive and thrive in their environments. It also highlights the diversity within venomous snakes and how their adaptations are tailored to their specific needs. Poisonous snakes are found all around the world, inhabiting a wide range of environments. They tend to prefer warm climates, which provide the ideal conditions for their survival and hunting. You'll find them in diverse habitats, from deserts and grasslands to tropical rainforests, and even in the oceans. These environments are crucial because they must offer food sources, water, and shelter. Snakes need places to bask in the sun and also hide from predators or threats, including human activity. For example, the rattlesnake is commonly associated with deserts, while the king cobra lives in lush rainforests. And here in the UK, our only venomous snake is the adder, which tends to be found in woodlands and heathlands. Understanding these habitat preferences helps us appreciate how adaptable and specialized these fascinating creatures are, and it ties into the overall theme of the diversity and importance of these snakes in their ecosystems. This slide doesn't contain enough information. That's why we're moving to the next slide.